Silani artisanal oud collection consists of 5 different variations extracted from high-quality wild agar wood chips from Sri Lanka. Following a 100% organic process, it is distilled in Sri Lanka's first ever oud oil factory. Silani Cobra, dark-toned, classic, controlled and woody, a scent that defies the usual, sourced from the forest of Ratnapura. Silani Butterfly, a primal scent, emitting dark tones of leather. It is indeed the Crimson Queen of Oud, founded from the forest of Deniaya. Silani Peacock, the emerald wonder of Sri Lanka, sharing unique notes of mint, herbs, leather, and earth. A subtle but vigorous aroma drawn from its origin of resinous wood sourced from the jungles of Adams Peak. Silani Kingfisher, the sea breeze, the ocean waves and the tropical aroma merged with well-aged Sri Lankan oud for a unique sensual experience, sourced from the city of Kalawana. Silani Jungle Fowl, a golden tone with zest, wood, and earth. It certainly is a unique variant of oud, collected from the forest of Canalia. A luxurious selection of oud that collides the aesthetics of more than 35-year-old wild agarwood trees, distilled with passion of our artisans. From Pintana Oud, Sri Lanka.